Hello everyone, welcome back to Array Blog once again. So if you are new to the Python, you might notice it looks very different from other programming language. Now that's because Python focus on clean and a readable syntax and anyone can write it easily who knows a bit of English. So in this video we'll learn the basic of Python syntax and why indentation is so important. So let's move to the basic syntax of Python. So the question is, what does syntax means? So syntax means that rules we follow to write code correctly. So for example, right, you have to write some letter or word. So you follow the like A, B, C, D, and there are some spelling. Then you write it. So that is what basically syntax is. So in Python, so the syntax is very simple and easy to read. So what we'll do, we'll create a file that is basics.py. So we've created a basic.py. Now let's see a basic example. That is what we'll do, we'll print that is welcome to Python, right? There are some spelling mistake. Welcome to Python, right? Now we'll save it. And so the question is, what does print does? So here print is a function that output text on the screen. So notice, so there is one thing to notice about here, that we don't need semicolon at the end like C or C++ or Java. So the key point is here, Python statement usually ends with the next line or new line, not with the semicolon. So let me close this. Let me delete this. Yeah. So so the question is, Python statement usually end with the new line, not with the semicolon. So we don't need to write the semicolon in the end. So what we'll do, we'll enter into the new line, and that's it. That like the this statement is closed here. And code block are defined by indentation, not with the curly braces, right? And Python is case sensitive. So print and let me write the comment here. So case sensitive means the print, this print and this print is not the same. So what we'll do, we'll run it and see like we are able to print the welcome to Python or not. So what we'll do, we'll type Python and then basics.py. See, so we get welcome to Python, right? Now let's move to the comments. How we can add comments in Python, because you need to identify what you are doing in your project, and that is very important things to keep tracking, like we on which line, from which line to which line, what you are doing, and which function is doing what. So for writing the single line comments, what you have to do, you just enter control and then forward slash. So this is single line comments, right? So this is single line comments. Now for multi-line comments, what you have to do, you have to do Control Shift A. Now you can enter it. So this is multi-line comments. You can, oh, I'm doing the same mistake again and again. So comment, you can enter it. You can write hello Python, or you can write subscribe, right? So this is the way to write comments in the Python. First one is the single line comments, and the second one is multi-line comments by pressing Control Shift A, right? Now next thing is indentation in Python. So here, this is the most important part of indentation. In most language, indentation is just for readability, but in Python, indentation defines the structure of the code. So if you don't indent correctly, Python will throw an error. So don't indent correctly means, so let me write a code. So if true, right? If true and print like this is indent, right? And then we can write print still in, no, we forgot to add the code, S- still the inside the block, right? So this is the correct way to write. And what is the wrong way to write? So for example, you write if and then true again, and then you added the quote and then you come here and print, right? Print like so. Let me write it. This is incorrect indent, right? See, we are seeing the error here. Now let's run it and see what it will print. Oh, we didn't save it. Now we have to save it. See, it's a this is incorrect indent and it's saying the error. So what we'll do, you just have to replace like this and let's run it again. See, say this is incorrect indent and now it's working perfectly fine. So here we combined like we have learned like how to create our first program in Python, how to write the comment in Python, single line, multi-line, and then we have seen how indentation works in Python. So that's the basic of Python syntax and indentation. So remember one thing, Python keeps things simple, but indentation is not negotiable. In the next video, we'll dive into variable data types and more. So if you enjoy this tutorial, give it a thumbs up, share with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.